Okay, and LPL, the law picking lawyer. So let's see what we got. And this one. He uses tape like I do. But I tell you, with the Postal Service, I just don't know about them sometimes. It just don't make sense on them. Man alive. LPL. There's quite a few locks here. Put them out here. See what we got. Just like Christmas. Two tubular cam. I have not ever tried to pick one of these before, so this will be fun. I've seen people pick them, but I've not ever tried. BKS. Oh man, I've always wanted to pick a BKS. Crispy Bear, Potty, all them. I see them picking BKSs. This is a nice lock. Can't wait to pick that one. A Dom. I like Doms. It's a nice one. 5-pin. Feels like a padlock. Yep. American 1100. And the key is mummified, so I'm not going to open the key. So we'll leave that like that. I guess he saw me pick all those American locks. Hey, I love American. Challenging locks. Texas Gem. Yep. It's pretty good bidding. Master lockout. I had one of these and it broke, and I never was able to get it on camera. So now I'll be able to pick one on camera and look at the bidding. Man, that's going to be fun too. But now I get to pick one on camera since mine broke. I don't know if that's a best, but I like these locks. I like picking the small format. Garrison Dimple. I'm going to get started in dimple locks. I just got my dimple picks. Now that's a pretty good little lock. Seagull, Papa Glove. I've always wanted to pick a seagull. Okay. LPL, buddy, I greatly appreciate the locks. And I'll get started on these. And I'm really interested in this one. Really interested in this one. So this will be fun. and this one. Alright, and again, huge thanks, LPL, Law Picking Lawyer. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Be safe, be good, be legal, and always have a good one. Thanks.